In this video, I will review the DD Hi-Fi HS270W detachable wooden headphone stand. Available in beautiful walnut and beige colors. I will also showcase the FiiO FT1 headphones with stunning walnut cups. And show you how this stand enhances your audio setup and keeps your headphones organized. Watch this full video as I am about to give you the best discount code for these products as well. The reason I'm making this video is because both the FiiO FT1 headphones and DD Hi-Fi HS270W headphone stand are compatible with each other. Because they both are made of walnut. And they both look very good together. So if you have FiiO FT1 and you want to upgrade your desk setup, then this is the best solution available for it. I absolutely love my FiiO FT1 headphones not just because of their sound quality, but also because it is so beautiful and elegant looking. You can see the finishing of FiiO FT1 headphones with walnut cups. This is the best headphones I have ever used so far. They are worth more than their price. And similarly, I absolutely love this headphone stand as it is very beautiful looking and also very high quality. So if you have already FiiO FT1 or any other wooden related headphone, then this is the best choice ever. The discount codes are available in the top of the description. And if you have still not yet bought this headphone, then you can benefit more from this video as I'm about to give you the big $15 discount code for FiiO FT1. Remember, its original price is $150, and after using this discount code, you can get this headphone in just $135. And the money you save here can be used to get this magnificent DD Hi-Fi HS270W detachable wooden headphone stand. What do you think, guys? If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Upgrade your desk and audio setup now.